have mentioned that the Apple Pencil is an active stylus, meaning that it has more capabilities in comparison to a capacitive stylus. It can detect force, tilt, and angle, giving the user a more precise writing and/or drawing experience. However, to elaborate on this more and discuss the logistics behind this pencil, we must dive deep into the pencil, literally. Thanks to the team at iFixit, we are able to get a more well-rounded observation on how the stylus seems to work. By using a drill, heat gun, and x-ray, they are able to get to the nitty-gritty bits of this device and figure out what makes this one of the best styluses on the market. What they found was a lot of tiny pieces and many chips, making this stylus very powerful and reliant on each and every chip included. The most unfortunate part about this is that I am unable to find any explanations from the Apple team to explain the physics behind the pencil. This is probably top secret information kept from the public to avoid any issues with the competitors. One of the many applications within the stylus is the 32-bit Cortex-M3 processor. From this company's website, we learned that this processor is, and I quote, high-performance, low-cost platforms for a broad range of devices including microcontrollers, automotive body systems, industrial control systems, wireless networking, and sensors, end quote. This processor is responsible for any response features that the stylus may have against an iPad device. This Bluetooth chip from Cambridge Silicon Radio I believe is pretty self-explanatory, as it is responsible for allowing the stylus to be paired with an iPad device wirelessly. Many devices we see today include a Bluetooth chip, which is how we are able to get rid of many wires, hence the term wireless. This stylus is powered by a tiny 3.82 voltage, 0.329 watt-hour lithium-ion battery. And as before, this is also self-explanatory, as it is responsible for powering the stylus and all of the systems included inside. As I have mentioned before, the tip of the Apple Pencil has two emitters within its copper tip. However, just above this copper tip is a tiny logic board that has been folded out to save space. This logic board includes 3 matching ticks, 3 on the tip of the pencil and 3 on the logic board. The people who broke down this stylus believe that this is how the stylus is able to sense pressure by measuring movement between both the tip and the logic board.